Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Vonage. Vonage is a popular VoIP voice over internet protocol service that allows you to make phone calls over the internet. It's a great option for people who want to save money on their phone bills or who need to make calls from anywhere in the world. But one question that people often have about Vonage is, does it have caller ID? The answer is yes, Vonage does have caller ID. In fact, it has a few different caller ID options to choose from. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable caller ID on your Vonage account and how to use the different caller ID options. I'll also talk about some of the benefits of using Vonage caller ID. So, if you're considering using Vonage or if you're already a Vonage customer and you're not sure how to enable caller ID, then be sure to watch this video all the way through. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the benefits of using caller ID. Caller ID can be a great way to let people know who is calling them. This can be especially helpful if you're calling someone who you don't know well, or if you're calling a business. Caller ID can also help you to avoid unwanted calls. If you don't want to talk to someone, you can simply ignore their call. Now that we know the benefits of using caller ID, let's get started with enabling it on your Vonage account. To enable caller ID on your Vonage account, you will need to log in to your Vonage account online. Once you are logged in, click on the Settings tab. From the Settings tab, click on the Caller ID tab. On the Caller ID tab, you will see a number of options. You can choose to enable or disable caller ID, and you can also choose to display your caller ID as your name or your phone number. Once you have made your selections, click on the Save Changes button. Now that caller ID is enabled on your Vonage account, you can start using it. Here are a few tips for using Vonage caller ID. Make sure that your caller ID is enabled on your phone. Make sure that your phone number is correct in your Vonage account. Be aware that some phone carriers may not support caller ID. If you have any questions about using Vonage caller ID, please feel free to leave a comment below. Now that you know how to enable and use caller ID on your Vonage account, let's talk about some of the other caller ID options that Vonage offers. One of the other caller ID options that Vonage offers is called Caller ID Name. This option allows you to display your name instead of your phone number when you make a call. Another caller ID option that Vonage offers is called Caller ID Privacy. This option allows you to block your caller ID from being displayed when you make a call. Vonage also offers a number of other caller ID features, such as the ability to set up a custom caller ID and the ability to receive caller ID notifications on your mobile phone. If you're looking for a way to add a personal touch to your calls, or if you want to keep your privacy, then Vonage's caller ID options are a great choice. In addition to the caller ID features that I've mentioned, Vonage also offers a number of other features that can help you to make the most of your phone service. For example, Vonage offers a feature called Call Forwarding. This feature allows you to forward your calls to another phone number. Vonage also offers a feature called Voicemail. This feature allows you to leave voicemail messages for people who have called you. Vonage also offers a feature called Call Waiting. This feature allows you to put a call on hold so that you can answer another call. These are just a few of the many features that Vonage offers. If you're looking for a comprehensive phone service, then Vonage is a great choice. In conclusion, Vonage does have caller ID, and it offers a number of different caller ID options to choose from. If you're looking for a way to add a personal touch to your calls, or if you want to keep your privacy, then Vonage's caller ID options are a great choice. If you're looking for a comprehensive phone service, then Vonage is a great choice. With Vonage, you can make calls from anywhere in the world, and you can take advantage of a number of features that can help you to stay connected. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.